Welcome to our Rock Like the Pros song challenge. This is our next song. This is a one that got Green Day banned from the punk scene. This one right here is Time of Your Life. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. This is our song challenge, so I'm excited that you're taking part in it, or if you just want to learn a great song. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. Now, Green Day started off as a punk band, and then they actually started getting a lot of hate from the punk community when they actually went sold out, as they say, had the mainstream record label. But this song, the acoustic song with strings, is definitely against what most of their sound is, especially their early punk roots. But anyway, this is one of their best-selling songs called Good Riddance or Time of Your Life. We're going to learn it right here. If you want to take part of the challenge, you can sign up for that totally for free and get this backing track, which we're going to be using in the end of this video, and also the sheet music, the chords, and all that stuff. All right, let's just dive right into this thing. All right, so I'm going to be using the Granddaddy strum for this one. It's exactly what they use in the original version, and also this is the same key as the original version, which is in the key of G here. Now, one thing to keep in mind real quick is that every one of these chords, and I'll show you the strum pattern in just 1 second, but every one of these chords is going to keep your third and your fourth fingers down the entire time. So G chord, C add 9, just move these top two fingers down, C add 9. D sus4, just simply move your first finger down, take off your middle finger, D sus4, and then E minor 7. There you go. I was just thinking about that for a second. All right, so those are the only 4 chords for the entire song: intro, verse, pre-chorus, and the chorus. All right, now back to the strum pattern. Grab your G chord. Just gonna go down. Oh, there we go. That's it right there. Down, down, up. Down, up. Now this version we did with the backing track, it's not as fast as the original one. It's a little bit slower. It gives you a little bit of time to get the changes, get the strum pattern, and also sing along. All right, so there's just a couple parts. Like I said, the intro and the verse are the same chords, which is this G, G again, now the C add 9, and the D sus4. And that's it, right? So again, this is the intro and the verse. All right, now when you get to the pre-chorus, it's going to add that E minor 7 for one time. So E minor 7, to D sus4, C add 9, and now the G chord. So notice it's just a little bit of a different progression, even though it's using the same chords, just adding that E minor 7. Okay, it does it twice, so do it one more time, and... All right, now we're to the chorus part. The chorus is just goes between the E minor 7 and the G chord a few times, and then it does it twice, and then E minor D sus4, okay, before we get to the outro, okay? So it's just gonna go, it's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you have, now check this out, the time of your, and then we're gonna do the intro again, which is life, just one time here. C add 9, D sus4. Loosen it up at the end if you want to. Add some strum patterns, just do something. You can do that, or just keep it real plain, whatever you want. All right, so we're gonna do it with the backing track. Okay, we're just gonna, that's a whole song right there. We're just gonna do it one time through. If you want to play the entire song yourself later, you can totally do it. Nothing's new in it. We're just gonna do it one time. Also, with this challenge, again, you can sign up for free. You're going to get access to the Q&A. We do this every week, the guitar Q&A. Come join us. You're going to get access to that. And also check out rocklikethepros.com. We got a bunch of courses and a bunch of stuff to help you become a great guitar player. So, all right, you ready? Let's go ahead and do this. 1, 2, 3, and... All right, here's the verse. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. every chorus. Yeah. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you have the time of your life. All right, so there you go. There's Green Day, Good Riddance, Time of Your Life. By the way, I didn't mention this earlier. Probably would have been helpful, but the starting note is right there, that B note. It's, turning point. Another turning point. So there's that note, that open second string to B note is your starting note for you singers out there. All right. So anyway, thank you again for being here. Thanks for taking part of the challenge, watching this video, subscribing, and all that stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.